Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to import EML to Outlook. Search on Google Bitrecover EML Converter Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your EML files from a folder. Click on Select Folders to select folders containing EML file. Select EML files. Check the file. Click on PST. Select Destination folder. Trial version limitation. Buy or activate product license here. Converted PST file. Click on File. Click on Open and Export. Click on Open Outlook data file. Select PST file. Folder hierarchy. Converted emails.